Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Take AI. Today in this video let's learn about how to open AI, that is Adobe Illustrator in Photoshop. So let's get started. For that we need to simply convert that AI file into Photoshop file. So simply open the AI file and we can click on this file option over here and click on save as, or we can go on and click on export as well. Simply click on export here, and over here we can see in save as type, that is Photoshop PSD. Simply tap on this one, and over here if it is not selected you can find this Photoshop, that is PSD option over here. Simply tap on that and click on export, and once the export is done the file will be converted to PSD file and you can simply open it in PSD, that is Photoshop. That is all. I hope you liked the video.